wants to do the rescue breath? Who wants to help with that?
What are we doing?
The
I
rescue
will.
breath.
I'm closest to the baby. Okay.
So you're going to move close, pretty close, because you got the placenta.
Oh, keep it on the mother.
Skin to skin is best.
Because we still have,
You can have the mother lay down.
So let's put her head over here, though.
Lay flat down.
Against Kevin.
Baby
Yep,
on her
we'll
neck.
catch her, because I'm the doula.
Okay.
Okay. Let me just help give your baby some breaths, okay? I'm trying to. Okay, over the mouth and nose. Mouth and nose. I think I'm
Your
blowing way
cheeks.
too
Remember
much.
your-
Yeah.
You just feel your
More
cheeks, just
gentle.
your cheeks,
Okay.
just a little
Not
bit.
so fast.
Oh, okay.
And just a little pressure. You just feel a little.
Like blowing bubbles.
And you're waiting
Oh,
for
I
that
got
chest to rise. So you're going to feel that
Oh.
under her hand. She's going to feel the chest rise. Well, she's going
Nope.
to feel the chest rise with each breath. You should
Oh,
be feeling
okay.
that just a little
And the
bit.
heartbeat at the same time, right? Regulating the heartbeat too.
Look, she's breathing.
And look at the color of that baby.
Wow. Actually,
Your
that's
baby's
totally
perfect.
different. I mean, like we did it sitting in the chair, but to do it on a doll, that's a little different. It's a little
They're
weird.
tiny.
Yes, they're very tiny. Yeah.
And it was
That's why they're, and they're, again, their
Yeah.
lungs are only as big as like, thumb.
That's crazy.
We were on a humanitarian mission in Nigeria and Ghana, and we delivered neonatal resuscitation babies to doctors and nurses and trained them.
Wow.
I mean, we didn't, but we had doctors and nurses from the States that were there for the training. We just were delivering. But it was, I had lost a baby in Africa after just 22 hours. But I couldn't help but think how wonderful it was to go back there where she was buried, plus to help other babies. It was very tender.
This is very tender right
But
now.
there were doctors at that time who, when the question was asked, how do you get a baby to start breathing, they were still
trying to figure
upside
out-
down and patting him on the back. You know, this is a long time ago.
Yeah.
So it was.
So 5 breaths.
5.
And